Welcome to the video tutorials for configuring Genlab ovens, incubators and drying cabinets. Our latest touchscreen control offers accurate and easy to operate features, and this video is one of a variety of how-to tutorial videos that can be found online at www.genlab.co.uk/videos. In this chapter, we'll demonstrate how to change a TDIG assembly. Before you begin any work, make sure that the oven is switched off and is isolated from any power source. This is done by removing the power cable. Remove the sticker from the front of the PCB panel. Turn the oven onto its side so you can access the bottom of the unit. Remove the bolts on the base plate using a Phillips screwdriver. Detach all cables from the PCB. Whilst the PCB is labelled, it is important to take note of where you removed each cable. Using a 7mm spanner, loosen the two retaining nuts closest to the power switch and completely remove the two retaining nuts furthest away from the power switch. The PCB can then be lifted out and the 7mm nut holding the two earth wires in place can be removed. Secure the two earth wires onto the frame of the new PCB. The PCB can then be slid onto the two lower pins. Hold the PCB in place and insert the washers and nuts onto the two top pins. All four nuts can then be tightened down to secure the PCB in place. Next, reinsert the wires back into the PCB board in the correct position. Reattach the base cover, ensuring the earthing wire is reattached. Turn the oven back up to its normal position. Remove the clear film from the back of the sticker. Turn the oven on. Using the top of the screen, align the sticker with the clear window. The oven is now ready. After a TDIG change, you will need to perform an auto-tune of the control system to benefit from the excellent temperature control that Genlab's units offer. To do this, please watch Chapter 9 of the video tutorials. We also recommend that you calibrate the controller to the sensors. To do this, please watch Chapter 3 of these videos. We hope you found this video useful. Please see our other chapters offering advice on the following functions at www.genlab.co.uk/videos.